Hello, and welcome to Teens Make Plushies. I'm Finley, a teen service assistant at the headquarters library of the Spartanburg County Public Libraries. In this video, I will be teaching you how to sew 2 plush projects featured in Kawaii Craft Life by Sosae, Caetano, and Dennis Caetano. See video description for more information on how to request this free pick-me-up kit. Pick-me-ups are available on a first-come, first-served basis while supplies last. In this pick-me-up, you will receive felt in brown, tan, camel, and pink, a skein of cream embroidery thread, a needle inside of a plastic case, a permanent marker, tacky glue, 2 needle threaders, a hedgehog and a toaster pastry pattern, and finally polyfill. For the hedgehog, we will be using all 4 colors of felt. Starting out, we will be marking the felt using the template shaped like a hedgehog. Using the pink felt on the template labeled cheeks, camel felt on the template labeled chest, dark brown felt on the templates labeled front and back of body and nose, and finally the tan felt on the templates labeled left ear, right ear, feet, and paws. We will be using the included marker to mark out the templates to cut out. Carefully cut along the lines, and once you've cut out all the felt pieces, we're ready to begin sewing. We'll start by using an applique stitch to attach the chest felt to the front of body felt, starting at the bottom right corner. When you've reached the top right, insert the right ear between the chest felt and the front body felt. Continue stitching through to secure the right ear in place. When you get to the top left, repeat for the left ear. Continue stitching the chest to the front of body and stop when you reach the bottom left corner, leaving the bottom unstitched. To finish off the stitch, flip the project over to the back side, slide the needle under your last stitch, and make a knot. Next, we'll be marking the eyes on the chest felt using the marker. Glue both the cheeks and nose in place with tacky glue. Applique stitch the paws in place below the cheeks, as shown, stitching along the tops only. Applique stitch the feet in place as shown, stitching along the top only. Make random single stitch spines along the front of body felt to add little quills. You can add as few or as many of these as you'd like. Align the front and back of body felt, and starting in the mid-right, begin blanket stitching them together until you're about 1 inch from where you started. Be careful not to stitch through the feet. Gently stuff with polyfill to your desired firmness, then stitch shut. Now you have a little woodland friend to call your own. For the toaster pastry, we will be using up to 3 colors of felt. Using the tan felt on the template labeled front and back of pastry, using the pink felt on the template labeled cheeks, then using the dark brown or the pink felt on the template labeled frosting. Position the frosting on the front pastry felt. Applique stitch it in place. Mark the eyes on the frosting felt with the marker. Tacky glue the cheeks in place or applique stitch them with thread. Align the front and back pastry felt. Starting at the mid-right again, begin blanket stitching them together until you are about 1 inch from where you started. Gently stuff with polyfill to your desired firmness and stitch shut. And now you have a completed toaster pastry plush. Again, my name is Finley, and thank you so much for watching Teens Make Plushies. I hope you enjoyed learning some sewing basics and making 2 little plushes of your own. We have virtual and in-person programs happening weekly, so be sure to follow at SCPL Teens on Instagram or Facebook to stay in the loop about programs, contests, and other giveaways. Thanks for watching!